Alright, so we're leaving Holy Mountain. Just realized that my back box is not locked in because I didn't open it. Chris did, and I forgot all about it. There we go. And yeah, Big Dipper. Quite a big hike out that thing. Tower, whatever the heck it's called. Make sure I'm going the right way here and not going the wrong way. Must be this way. No skiing down here, I'd imagine. Free ride. Anyways, yeah, so we're leaving Poley. We're trying to make it over Friars before the fireball in the sky goes away. We'll probably make it there in time. Get some nice footage of that. And then we're back to Adair's. It's quite the trails and quite the view. We met some nice people there over on top of that tower. The engine brakes on these work really well. I need to meet somebody halfway through when you're going to, like, on the super steep parts of this, whichever. I can't speak half the time anyways. Anyways, if you've made it this far in the video and you're from the Sussex area, or you hope someone's coming. Anyways, yeah, you guys are some of the nicest people that we met around in a while. Gotta adjust my watch here. He's moving on me. All right. It's funny that I was just mentioning that about meeting somebody, but at least I wasn't a bad spot. Decided to give my phone a break from being on there majority of the day. Trying to figure out where we're going. You guys in Sussex must go through a pile of brakes, or you don't drive fast at all. One of the two. I guess that answers my question earlier about if it was ATV only there. Because if that Razor managed to come through that gate, it must be able to fit everybody else up to at least 72. Here's the gate. 3401, so I was right on that. Tell you what, going down those hills were a lot easier than what I thought that would be. Anyways, we'll catch up whenever we get over to Friars. See you guys there. Oh, fuck. Alright. So, more hills that are unexpected. Going to Friars Nose. I mean, I guess what do you expect? You're going onto a lookout point on top of a hill. The camera will never do it justice. You're just gonna have to go out and experience it. I don't know how close I am to it. What a trail. I love it. Every single second of it. I could only imagine if I had access to trails like this every single day, I'd probably get bored of them. But for a while, I'd love every time I'd go out. This is way more than your basic flat trail. It's not mudding or anything else like that by any means. It's definitely more technical to a degree. It's not extreme technical. The hills with the runouts down the middle, you have to obviously pick your line properly, but there's a very low chance that you'd lose your balance. Not impossible, but lower chance. Whee! Man, if I owned a solid axle Honda, I would absolutely hate my life doing this. Man, what a different type of riding than what we're used to, eh?
I love this.
So do I. Yeah, climbing up. I went up like a little tiny rock cliff and just throttled it out and like jumped it and carried on.
Different, eh?
Yeah, I love it.
So when we get to an intersection up here,
take a left.
You take a left, take a trail. But if you take a right, there's like a lookout not far, like very close. I'll stop and we'll show you at the
Okay.
But
yeah. You have to put it in high. Ah, frig. If you can't make fun of your friends, who can you make fun of? People are special, that's all I can say. Whee! The number 7 lookout, 650 meters that way. Oh yeah, jeez, we are like right there. Cool, so wherever this is, Chris, the only owner of an XMR that goes around every water hole that he can ever see. kilometers on this thing so far today, and I'm not remotely worn out, even on all these bumps. And with mud tires, rocks, and everything else like that. Thumb's not sore, none of that stuff. If I was on my brute force, I'd be wanting to stop every 3 kilometers because it's so rough. I also had the heavy duty. Wow. Oh, I know where we are now. I know exactly where we are now.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a beautiful spot too.
As soon as we came here, I was like, oh, that's where we didn't stop at Alex that time.
Yeah. Absolute beautiful spot.
Everything up here is fucking nice.
Yeah, I don't think there's been one horrible spot. How did we come this close last time and never make it to Friar's Nose?
I don't know. I don't know how we didn't go to Poli. Or we skipped Friar's Nose.
Well, Poli didn't have that lookout then.
No, but still, the trail was there.
No. There was no actual trail to Poli back then. I don't think. I might be wrong, but I don't believe so. We did do all the Quiddy Falls and all the other fall are along the way too and stuff.
There's a bunch of trails I wish we would have done today.
Huh. We spent most of our day talking to the locals though, which was a good thing though, because I enjoy talking with locals.
I like talking to people.
Yeah.
Someone's coming.
What a view though.
I know, right? Even.
I know the camera doesn't pick up any of this anywhere near remotely close, but
I could take a picture and like, oh, that's nice, and you get here, you're like, whoa.
yeah, big difference. Absolute big difference. Anyways, I'll catch back up on the camera there once we head over to Friar's Nose. But for now, we'll turn this off. Look at the old fucking fireball up in the sky, boys. Doesn't really get that much better than this. Out biking, nice sunset. It's a full moon again tonight. I can't really complain. We're coming up to Misty's Lookout, and then Friar Nose is right after it. Where we are exactly, I couldn't really tell you. But it's beautiful riding. Absolutely beautiful riding. I don't know if I'll be able to get any footage of Friars, but we're gonna try. Thankfully Misty's isn't too far from Friars, but we're not gonna stay there long. Just trying to get in all the views that we can before the day's done. Anyways, I'll be quiet for a little bit. Let's see where we land. I don't know if I passed Misty's Lookout or not, but there was definitely a sign that showed binoculars. Thought I would have been it, just on the top of a mountain. Beautiful spot. I'm not stopping though. Friars is more important. We're gonna head over to that. We will get. This is neat though, like being right inside the mountains. Well, what we call mountains in New Brunswick, anyways. The engine brakes on these work so good that I have to touch the throttle to go down. Alright, so we're at Friar's Nose. Ish area. Nice camp along the way that I've seen. Someone's ATV parking. Which way did Chris go? Oh, he's right there. Okay, might as well walk it. Yeah.
Not recommended.
Yeah, anyways, it's fine. We'll walk. We're too far away from home to try any of that nonsense. Anyways, catch you up there.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just wow.
Don't mind us, the hike up here is pretty steep for 2 minutes.
Listen, I know we're fat and out of shape,
That's a steep hill.
other than round being a shape. I'm glad I didn't take the bike up that, because that's side-by-side territory with good rock tires. That's not an ATV with mud tires. Trail, that's wow. Oh, I don't know. Me and heights. Hope I don't drop the helmet.
If we do, good knowing is everybody.
Yeah, you'll never see this footage ever again if I drop this helmet. Should have brought the selfie stick.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a view.
Camera won't even do this any justice. Like, I've watched so many videos of this. Honestly, I've watched so much videos of this, and you have to come. It's as simple as that. You have to come. Stay at Adair's. Come here and visit this view. Go to Friar's Nose. This is this beats Poli. This is like way beautiful. Like,
Oh yeah.
I thought Poli was beautiful. This takes my breath away, other than the hill. The view is, boys, I can just imagine what like being out west is like, where they have actual hills. Wow. Just sorry. It's just wow, man, wow. Can you imagine camping up here overnight? First of all, you die climbing up the hill.
With your stuff.
With your stuff. Please send SOS. Wow. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. This is probably the end of everything. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll do some more stuff tomorrow morning at Adair's to showcase Adair's, but both those 700 XMRs have been flawless all day, comfortable to ride. So wildly easy on fuel. But frig, man, look, you can see the bike. You can't see it on the camera, but like you can see lights from the bikes through the trees.
Where?
Right down there, right in the middle.
Oh, again.
It's
Hello.
yeah.
This doesn't do it justice.
Anyways, see you later, boys.